All right. So, Miss Scarlet was adopted about 9 months ago now. Right, Miss Scarlet? About 9 months ago. And she used to be terrified of boxes. I order a lot of Amazon, so it's been a process, but now she is no longer afraid. Yeah. Right? No longer afraid. Because routinely, we get snacks. Right, Miss Scarlet? Right. So, we have quite quickly overcome that fear. Granted, it's been a very long process, and don't mind the mess in this apartment. It's clean. We just have a lot of stuff. She can only have beef and salmon, and her dog food is the veterinary prescribed. So we have a very limited palate, but she does really well with the Merrick ones that are salmon and beef, and the Amazon brand jerky. So yeah. What a good girl.